I like bugs. The sound of bee. See, there's a bug. It's like a ladybug. I like bugs. See the hand? It's a ladybug right there. Some bugs are big. It's like a real big black bug. It really looks bigger than what it really is. It's really smaller. Some bugs are small. See on that leaf? See the tiny bugs? Some bugs fly. Look, can you find the butterfly? She is. Some bugs crawl. Look, he's down on the ground, crawling around on all the leaves. Some bugs have 6 legs. So let's count and see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. You might think these are legs, but it's not. That's his antennae. So some bugs have 6 legs. Some bugs have lots of legs. Look at that centipede. Lots of legs. One on each side of the plant. It's crawling up. Some bugs bite us. They're like a mosquito. Some bugs help us. So how do you think that bug helps us? See, it's a bee. He's getting some nectar out of the flower and he's going to go make honey. That's how he helps us. I like bugs. She has a pretty butterfly and it's on her finger. Nice butterfly. Word list. Big, bite, bugs. Love it. And for more books and resources, just go to homeschoolforlife.org. Thank you.